So I'd now like to show you how we can use a person's location. Look at the context of the data. In this example, Adam can access the classified material, SP01, when he's in the US. When he moves outside the US, will be denied access due to a NextLabs policy. Okay, I'll show you this in the demo now. I'm logged in as Adam. Just to recap, the material he's trying to access is this one, SP01. Its jurisdiction is ITAR, which means that if he tries to access this while in the US, he can do. I'll log out as Adam now and back in. What we'll do is we'll simulate that he's moved to a different country by self-attesting his location. Previously it was the US, now he's in India. If he tries to now access the same material, you can see he's denied access due to the fact that his location has changed. Okay, thank you.